friends and designers, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing Flatlay, where we share our favorite materials and we bring back the excitement and the visceral experience of exploring new product. I'm Brandon.
I'm Ariel, principal of Ariel Fox Design in Los Angeles, and today we are bringing you a page out of a fairy tale book.
Oh, magical.
The concept today is female ethereal. Like me.
Like Ariel, ethereal, I see. Well, it sounds a little bit nebulous, but I can't wait to see how that manifests into material land. So here we go, let's dive in. So our adventure begins from these walls. We've got fourth collection. This is a really, really ethereal wall covering.
Yeah, so this is a custom mural. This will come in a couple of panels, but just imagine kind of paddling down the river, the breeze in your hair, diamonds in the sky. I don't know. This is in the color mushroom, and it's
really
ethereal.
Cool. No, I like it.
Yeah.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
Very serene.
This is catching my eye from our good friends over at Concrete Collaborative. We've got a contemporary terrazzo. This is a really beautiful countertop.
Oh, this is one of my favorite combinations. This alabaster with the black marble, big chunky agate pieces. I just want to put this everywhere in my life.
Let's do it. Up next, from our good friends Surfacing Solutions, we got a nice tambour, of course. This is maple, and look at this guy.
It wouldn't be an unboxing flatlay if we didn't have some tambour. Yep. I mean, we kind of have a problem with tambour. But I love this profile, guys. I mean, it's so curvy, so feminine, great dimension on it. And this is in a raw maple, so nice and soft on the eyes.
Beautiful, beautiful. What should we do next? Why don't you take over here?
Yeah, so we've got sort of glossy and matte. I call this like the rose beige. Interestingly enough, these are from two completely different vendors, but the color is so like spot on. I was like loving it. Okay, so here we have, this is a leather. This is tiger leather, called Cosmopolitan in Chinatown. It has a little bit of a pearlized finish to it. So ethereal. And then I want to pair this with, this is by Kvadrat. This is called Hero by my hero, Patricia Urcola. I love everything that she does. I mean, she makes a wool.
Well, this is almost like cashmere, almost. I mean, it has wool, yeah. It looks, but I mean, from here, like just picking it up, I mean, it looks like it's cashmere. It has a wool effect, obviously, but it's gorgeous. Beautiful for the skin.
I know. I want
like
a jacket in it or something.
Done. I mean, you can make a purse out of that.
Yeah, exactly. The whole outfit, monochrome.
So,
all right.
Let's go on to some tile here. This is for me. Trapezium. Okay, guys. This is a really cool tile here. Ceramic tile, ash gray, and then below we've got the triangle ash gray, and this is from our friends at Spec ceramics. But what does it look like to you, Ariel?
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
So you have the ability to really create different patterns, obviously, and it's a beautiful matte finish.
Diamonds. Just diamonds. That's all. That's all. Just diamonds.
Okay. Diamonds on the mind.
All right, last one.
Milliken, you're up. Here we go. Beautiful carpet, Milliken here. This is a Moraine, and this is called Navigator.
So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll have install photos of this in mass. It's very, very cool. It's a very subtle pattern, very calming, but I love like the dot work in it, and it's commercial grade, so it's very, very durable.
It's beautiful, and I really love how all of these kind of colors do come together. It's very, what's the word? Very serene. Yeah, and it does speak to the theme of our show today. So, thanks for watching, guys. Well, our journey has come to an end, but we certainly hope you had a great time. Everything we talked about today will be in the description box below. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing, spreading the word about Unboxing Flatlay, and stick around for some really beautiful install shots coming up.
Yeah, thanks guys for all the comments. We love you so much. We'll see you next time on the next Unboxing Flatlay.